Hello students, in previous part 3 of Act 1 Scene 3, we studied about Shylock's calculative mindness, that the extract implies that Shylock was very calculative and planned in money matters. Shylock agreed to manage the money from his friend Tubal, one of the wealthy Hebrew merchant of his tribe, and Antonio was ready to break the code of conduct. Now, students, you can be asked that see this line, I will break a custom, that is the code of conduct. What was the custom, what was the code of conduct that Antonio was ready to break for his friend Bassanio? Is to borrow money by paying interest. Actually, this was his habit, this was Antonio's code, that normally he neither lent nor borrowed money by taking or giving excess, that is interest. Now let's begin with our next extracts. Shylock, I had forgot 3 months you told me. Now this line, Shylock said to Bassanio that yes, I forgot 3,000 ducats for 3 months, and Shylock told this to Bassanio. So, well then, your bond, and let me see. Now, this line, Shylock is referring to Antonio. That then about your guarantee, he is saying Antonio that now let's talk about your bond. What's the bond? That let's talk that you will be the surety, you will be the guarantor for the loan for the sum of 3,000 ducats. But here you means, but you listen to my words. Whom Shylock is referring now, addressing now? To Antonio. Me thought you said you neither lend nor borrow upon advantage. Now it seemed to Antonio that it seemed to Shylock that Antonio already mentioned that he neither lent nor borrowed on interest. Students, underline upon advantage means with interest. Antonio, I do never use it means I never do so, means I never collect extra amount on the whole sum or the base amount, that is he never collects interest. Shylock, when Jacob graced his uncle Laban's ship, this Jacob from our holy Abraham was as his wise mother wrought in his behalf. Now students, here this one you need to understand that here Shylock has presented used a biblical reference. First, let me tell you the story of Jacob, introducing him fully. Who was Jacob? Who was Laban? Listen very carefully. Jacob descended from the holy Abraham. His shrewd mother, means wise mother of Jacob, very prudently or wisely made him the third in the line of succession, means Jacob's mother wanted Jacob to be the third successor of the family property. An agreement was made between Jacob and Laban that all the spotted and striped newborn lambs would go to Jacob as payment for his service to Laban. Jacob rendered his service to Laban in looking after Laban's sheep. When the breeding season arrived, the clever Jacob peeled certain twigs to make them look striped. He placed them on the ground so that the shadows fell upon the sheep when in the process of breeding. This way, the ewes were influenced, and almost all the lambs were born spotted or striped and became the property of Jacob. This agreement was the way to his prosperity. So this is the biblical reference given by Shylock to justify his taking of interest. Then, what was the reply of Antonio? When Shylock presented this biblical reference, Antonio became very angry and he said, "And what of him?" Means, what's your point of using his reference? Did he take interest? Means, Shylock wanted to say that did Jacob take interest? Shylock, no, not take interest, not as you would say directly interest. Mark what Jacob did. When Laban and himself were compromised, that all the younglings which were streaked and pied, underline younglings means newborn lambs, should fall as Jacob's hire. This was the way to thrive, and he was blessed and thrived in blessing, if men still it not. So, putting forward the reference of Jacob and Laban's story, Shylock actually want to present that Jacob, in a very clever way, he took his share as the payment for his service. That was the way to become rich, and he was blessed in doing so. So all the profit is a blessing, and if men do not steal it from others. Students, underline the word thrive. Thrive means succeed. Then thrift means profit. Antonio, this was a venture, sir, that Jacob served for, a thing not in his power to bring to pass, but swayed and fashioned by the hand of heaven. Underline swayed and fashion. Swayed and fashion, actually Antonio said it was controlled and designed by the hand of God. So Antonio said that this business was actually for which Jacob worked, and it was not in his power. It was not under his control. It was controlled and designed by the hand of God. Was this mentioned in order to justify the charging of interest, or do you consider gold and silver as ewes and rams? So underline the last line, or is your gold and silver ewes and rams? So the ewes and rams are compared to gold and silver coins. So here Antonio is little sarcastic when he asks whether Shylock mentioned the ewes and rams to justify his taking an interest. So did he expect the coins to multiply like animals? This was actually what Antonio wanted to ask Shylock of taking interest, of justifying his taking of interest. So students, read up to this extract that how Shylock was placing before Antonio to justify his taking of interest. Next, Antonio is marking Shylock to be the devil. See this line, that the devil quoting the scripture. Why Antonio said this to Bassanio? When a bad man quotes from a scripture to justify his evil act, it is like the devil taking advantage of what God has said in another context. So Antonio says this when Shylock quotes the Laban Jacob story to justify charging of interest. An evil soul producing holy witness is like villain with a smiley cheek, a goodly apple rotten at the heart. Oh, what a goodly outside falsehood hath. So now here Antonio portrays Shylock as a man who is able to the sugarcoat bad things and make them appear acceptable. So what does this extract imply? In this extract, Antonio wants to warn Bassanio that anyone who is insincere and misrepresents themselves appears on the outside to be a decent person. Students, up to this extract, you please read properly, go through the extracts properly and with word meanings. I shall continue in the next video.